Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Nora Sara Damayanti. My major is Basic Education Program at Postgraduate State University of Semarang. Well, today in this presentation, we are going to discuss about the content of my abstract with a title, The Effectiveness of Circuit Learning Assisted by Quartet Card Media on Social Studies Learning Outcomes. The first author is Nora Sara Damayanti, and the second author is Florentina Widihastrini from Universitas Negeri Semarang. Email address norasara197@gmail.com. Move to the other slide. In this slide, I will explain about the content of abstract. In this abstract, divided into 6 parts, such as the background of research, the aim of research, the method of research, the result of research, conclusion, and the last, the impact of research. In this slide, I will explain the background of research. Based on pre-research data at Sultan Agung Cluster Elementary School, found that the teachers tend to use a teacher-centered learning model and instructional media in picture. Next, the aim of research. The purpose of this study were to test the effectiveness of the circuit learning model assisted by the Quartet Card Media on social studies learning outcomes. Describe the learning outcomes and activities of the 4th grade students at Sultan Agung Cluster Elementary School. In the next slide, I will explain the method of research. The study used cluster random sampling with a total of 158 students. The samples used were Pecangan Wetan 2 Elementary School with 28 students as the control group at Karangranduan Elementary School with 33 students as the experimental group in the 2019 or 2020 school year. Move to the other slide. The result of research. Elementary school with 33 students as the experimental group in the 2019 or 2020 school year. The score of the activities of the experimental class students was higher at 77% compared to the control class at 61%. The hypothesis test results showed that T-count equals 2.9627 is greater than T-table equals 2.0009, which means that the circuit learning assisted by Quartet Card was effectively used in social studies learning of the 4th grade. Move to the other slide. Conclusion. The conclusion of this study was the circuit learning model assisted by Quartet Card Media was more effective to be used in social studies learning on the history of Hinduist-Buddhist topic compared to the direct interaction model, and could improve learning outcomes and activities in the 4th grade students at Sultan Agung Cluster Elementary School in Jepara, Regency. Move to the next slide. The impact of research. This research can provide new innovations regarding effective learning model to improve social studies learning outcomes. This abstract has keyword Quartet Cards, learning outcomes, social studies, effectiveness, and circuit learning. That's my presentation today. Thank you for your attention, and I end it all by saying wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.